right? Calculate the enthalpy change of the reaction using the bond energies, right? State whether the reaction is exothermic or endothermic. Now let me know, girls, do you want to give a try? You want to do by yourselves? We need to write down like the displayed formula of water that's going to be like this. अच्छा, अब देखो whatever bonds, like there are going to be two OH, they are not two OH bonds, right? If when you're just going to say that how many OH bonds are there, so there are going to be four OH bonds. ठीक है? Like if I have not written two, so there are two OH bonds, right? Now if I have written two, so there will be four OH bonds. If I will write on three, there will be six OH bonds. ठीक है? I'm bringing Tuba, Lisa. Are you getting it?
Yes.
Now here also there are going to be two HH bonds and there is one oxygen-oxygen double. Yeah. So could you calculate by yourselves, बच्चों? I'm bringing Tuba, Lisa. Try करोगे? Do let me know.
Okay, miss.
ठीक है? Try it. If you are stuck anywhere in between, please let me know. Okay. The healthy energy absorbed. Make sure there are how many OH bonds? Four OH bonds, right? Yes, girls. Did you get the same, Bachu? Ambreen, Tuba, and Aliza?
Yes, miss.
Okay. Tuba, Ambreen, did you get it? We did,
Yes.
right? Okay, so this is how we calculate, right? Acha, I think if you want, I can just give you other type of example as well. That how are you going to calculate the bond energies, like for unknown bond, na? So here they have already done that. 6. Try to do this now, okay? Because as you know, as you do by yourself, like, that's going to be unknown bond energy area. If you want, I can just explain you through here, okay? Is it okay? Should I explain you through this present like slide or on the board? Aliza, bring Tuba.
Any are fine.
Okay. Now see here, they are asking us enthalpy change is given. Okay. Enthalpy change of this reaction is given. They are asking us to calculate the bond energy of OH bond. Okay. Now the bond, a few of the bond energies are given, but OH ki bond energy we have to find, right? Now we are going to draw out the molecules, the displayed formula. This is methane, oxygen. There are going to be 2 bonds of oxygen double bond, right? There are going to be carbon dioxide, and there are 2 moles of or 2 molecules of water. Okay. Or other way, you are going to say that there are 1, 2, 3, 4 OH bonds. है ना? Do you agree?
Yes.
All right. Now let's see. Add up the bond energies that have been given in the reactants and the products. Okay. So what bond energies are given in the reactants? There are the bond energies of carbon hydrogen bonds given. So there are 4 multiplied by 413 plus 2 multiplied by 498. Okay. So, right. So this one is going to be total energy absorbed in bond breaking, right? As products, like energy given out is going to be, carbon double bond oxygen, 2 carbon double bond oxygen only, because that we have to find out, right? 4 OH bonds energy we have to find out. So products energy given out is going to be 2 multiplied by 800, because there's going to be 2 carbon double bond oxygens, 2 multiplied by 800 plus 4 OH की bond energies that we have to find. ठीक है girls? Do you understand till here?
Yes.
Yes.
Acha. Now what you have to do, we know that enthalpy change is equals to energy absorbed minus energy released. ठीक है? So enthalpy change is equals to energy absorbed, this one, minus energy released. 2 multiplied by 800 and plus 4 into which की bond energies is equals to enthalpy change, that is minus 808. Okay? Make sure that you are writing the energy change, enthalpy change sign like it is exothermic reaction. So you are supposed to specify as minus 808. Okay? You will solve it bit further, like it's coming 1048 minus, okay, like 8 to the 16, like they have already solved it, into 4 into OH की bond energy is equals to minus 808. Okay, just like simple maths. So we have to find out 4x की bond, like energy value is going to be 808 plus 1048. Okay, so you will get, right? So as you have to find out the value of only one bond, so you're just going to divide 1856 divided by 4. So you'll get 464. Okay, got it?
I don't understand after the rearrangement part.
Just they're rearranging, right? So 4x bond energy will be this. Okay, girls? Did you get it? We have the comment.
Yes.
And so just we did this sort of question. I don't know, you can just do that one. And if you want, we could do this one. So ये वाला कर लेते हैं, right? Ethene can undergo complete combustion as shown. Some bond energies are given in the table. The energy change of the reaction is minus 1408. What is the bond energy of carbon double bond oxygen, right? Now they are asking us to calculate the bond energy of carbon double bond oxygen. Okay? So let's do this together. And if you didn't understand, do let me know. I will be sharing this all resources and all. So you can just try. I will also share some past papers. So do practice these questions, right? Now here, there is going to be, see, we are going to calculate energy absorbed. So there are 4 CH bonds. So 4 multiplied by 412. 1 carbon-carbon double bond. So plus 612. Plus there are going to be 3 oxygen-oxygen double bonds, right? So 3 into 496. Acha, till here, bachcho, any problem in energy absorbed? Ambreen, Tuba, and Aliza.
No. No.
4 multiplied by 412. Coming 3,748. ठीक है, energy released is going to be, there are going to be 4 carbon double bond oxygen bonds. So 4 multiplied by, we have to find out. Okay, so I'm going to write on 4x plus there are 4 OH bonds. Okay, 4 multiplied by 463. Four x plus 1852. ठीक है? Do you understand girls? Energy release में there
I don't get this part.
हाँ, अब देखो बेटे, this carbon double bond oxygen we have to find out ना, है ना? I'm just going to make it as unknown bond energy as x. ठीक है? अब see how many carbon double bond oxygen bonds are there in carbon dioxide. In carbon dioxide molecule there are 2, है ना? But if I have written 2 here, so there are going to be 4 bonds. ठीक है Lisa? So therefore I have written 4x. ठीक है? Plus there are going to be OHK 2 bonds. But as number is written over here is 2, so there are going to be 4 OH bonds. So therefore I have multiplied by, like 4 by 463. ठीक है?
Okay.
Did you get it?
Yeah.
Now then we have to put up the values that enthalpy change is equals to minus 1408 is equals to total energy absorbed, that is 3748. ठीक है? Minus energy released. So energy released is going to be 4x. Make sure you are going to write on in the bracket. ठीक है? Minus 4x plus 1852. Right? We'll solve it further. Minus 1408 is equals to 3748 minus 4x minus 1852. Do let me know, girls. Did you get it till here? Tuba, Lisa, and Amreen.
Yeah.
Tuba, Amreen, are you getting it, Betty?
Yes. Yes.
Again, repeating, we just have put up the values. Na? Enthalpy change, that is minus 1408, is equals to total energy absorbed minus energy released. Okay. So, if you solve it further, so what we will get here, so minus 1408 minus 3748 is equals to minus 4x minus 1852. Or you can even just keep it over there. Like if I will have written this over there, so हम साथ click कर सकते हैं. So 1408, we will minus minus, so we just have to add this together. 1408 plus 3748 minus 5156 is equals to minus 4x minus 1852. Okay. I'll just keep this value over here. 5156 plus 1852 is equals to minus 4x. So we are getting here 3,304 is equals to minus 4x. ठीक है? अब बच्चे, this minus minus will be cancelled. So what will be the value of x will be 3304 divided by 4. Get 826. ठीक है बेटी? Right, Amreen, Tuba, and Aliza. Did you get it?
Yes, miss. Yes.
Okay, so
Yes.
in this way,
Yes.
you could just calculate the bond energy of any bond. Acha, in paper 4, this question comes. Okay, I'll share one question with you. You try to do that. I will share this presentation also with you. So you could just do the practice questions. That is a usual, must question. Like it comes in paper 2 or paper 4. Okay? But it's easy, but it just requires a practice. It seems to be easy, but once you just solve that, you understand what are the mistakes that we are making. So it just requires a practice. Okay, is that clear to you? So the
Yes.
option is going to be 826. Have you taken a screenshot?
Yes, miss.
Okay, so I'll just show you the option and I'll just end up the class. Right, so it's going to be C, 826. Okay, so this C is a correct option, right? So the bond energy of carbon double bond oxygen is 826. Okay. So thank you, Bachu. Take care. See you inshallah on Monday, right? And do solve the questions. And I hope you have solved, done the displayed formula, dot and cross diagram you did. Correct? I'm being through by Nalisa.
Miss, I'll do it today and send you the.
ठीक है. Just do that. Okay.